Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the NCERT exercise class 11 chemical bonding and molecular structure. Here one by one we will discuss the NCERT exercise. Okay, so first is 4.1 exercise number 4.1. In this what is the question asked? Question is explain the formation of chemical bond. So the simple answer is we know that how the chemical bond is formed. So chemical bond you can write it in the form of schematic diagram. It will be easy. Even you can convert it into the sentences. So chemical bond is formed by two ways. One is by the, what is that first way? First is by the transfer of electron. This is the one way. And second chemical bond is sharing of electron. Sharing of electron. These are the two ways by which chemical bond is formed. So when the transfer of electron take place, what is the nature of the bond? Bond will be ionic bond, and sharing of electron, bond will be the covalent bond. In this manner, this is the chemical bond. This you can write it into the sentence also. Chemical bond is formed by the transfer of electron forming ionic bond. It is formed by the sharing of electron forming covalent bond. So this is the schematic diagram. You can put it in a sentences also. Now next, write the Lewis dot structure of following elements. Here elements are given. We have to write the Lewis dot structure. Children, it is called as dot structure where we show outermost electron in the form of dots. Okay, so here we are going to study the electron dot structure of elements. Now when we are going for electron dot structure, we should know the electronic configuration of it. So first of all we will go for magnesium. So magnesium, what is the electronic configuration? Electronic configuration is 2a2. Now you can see here in this 2 electron are the outer core electron. माने 2 electron outermost orbit में है. So we will show only 2 electron. So this is the symbol of magnesium and these are the 2 electron. Now children, here I have put electron in the form of dots. You can keep this as a cross also. So this is the electron dot structure of sodium. Now let us check the another, that is the sodium one. This was a magnesium. So sodium, what is the electronic configuration? 2, 1, 2, 8, 1. Now here you can see the 1 electron is the outermost electron. So what we will do? We will write the symbol of sodium and we will show that 1 electron. Okay. Now next one is what? Next one is boron. Next one is the boron. So what is the boron? Boron atomic number is 5. So its electronic configuration will be 2, this is 5, so 2, 3. Now here you can see how many are there? There are 3 electrons in the outermost orbit. So what we will show? With the symbol of boron, and now instead of dot you can put the cross also. So you can show here 3 electron. Now this 3 electron you can show on in the 3 dimension anywhere. Not possible that only you should show it in the 3 direction. आप ये तीनों इलेक्ट्रॉन एक साइड भी दिखा सकते हो. उसके बाद है this is the oxygen. So again oxygen is the symbol. What is the electronic configuration? Electronic configuration, atomic number of oxygen is 8. So 8 is 2 and 6. So how many outermost electron? Outermost electron are 6. So what is the dot structure? We will write the symbol of oxygen and now we can show the 6 electron. So 6 electron again you can show in any direction around the symbol. After that, what is given? Next one is the nitrogen. Now what is the electronic configuration? Nitrogen atomic number is 7. So it will be 2, 5. So again you write the symbol. Here 5 are the outermost electron. So we have to show 5. So this is nitrogen and show the 5 electron. Okay, this is the symbol of nitrogen. Now come to the last one. Last one, it is the bromine given. Bromine, what is the electronic configuration of bromine? If you go for the bromine, its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 18, 7. 2, 8, 18, 7. Okay, so how many electrons are there outermost orbit? Outermost orbit, you can see there are 7 electrons. So what you will do? You will write the symbol and put the 7 electrons. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here and 2 here. Children, this 7 electron you can write around the atom. So these are the Lewis dot structure of elements. Now the next question. What is the next question given? Next question is write the Lewis dot structure again the same time of the atoms and ions. Here atoms are given and their respective ions are given. ठीक है? So above method only we will follow. What we will do? We will write the species. ठीक है? So here it is given sulfur atom. So यहाँ पे sulfur है. So सल्फर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. अगर हम लोग सल्फर को एलिमेंट्स के फॉर्म में देखते हैं तो व्हाट इट इज इन द सल्फर एटॉमिक फॉर्म इट इज सल्फर. सो इट्स एटॉमिक नंबर इज 18. इसका एटॉमिक नंबर क्या होता है? 18. सो व्हाट इट इज इफ यू गो फॉर दिस 18 व्हाट विल बी द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन विल बी 2 comma इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन विल बी 2 8 and 6. So how many we have to show for the atom? यहाँ पे 2 8 6 है electronic configuration, so it will be 6 we are going to show. So sulfur atom will be having 1 2 3 4 5 6. But now talk about the S minus 2. Children, it has formed the anion. अनायन आर फॉर्म बाय एक्सेप्टिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो ये 2 माइनस चार्जेस क्या बताता है कि ये और 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन ले रहा है. तो यहाँ पे 6 के बदले क्या हो जाएंगे? जब ये -2 में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा तो इसके पास 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन आ जाएंगे. सो ये जो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लिए हैं ये अपन क्रॉस से भी दिखा सकते हैं. सो वी कैन शो दिस 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन बाय द क्रॉस. सो एंड -2 चार्जेस. This will be the difference. Here we have shown the 6 and here we have shown the 8 electrons. Now come to the aluminium. So aluminium atomic number is 13. So what is the electronic configuration? 2 8 3. Now here you can see there are 3 electron in the outermost orbit. So in this what we will show? Here we will put the atom and we will show the 3 electron. This is aluminium element. Now look at the structure ion Al3 plus. अब एल्यूमिनियम के ऊपर क्या आया है? पॉजिटिव चार्ज आया है. पॉजिटिव चार्ज कैसे आता है? पॉजिटिव चार्ज इज ऑब्टेन बाय लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. इसका मतलब क्या? ये 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन चले जाएंगे. तो जब ये 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन चले जाएंगे तो व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल शो माने आउटर मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन आर लॉस्ट. सो हाउ वी विल शो दैट आउटर मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस विल बी aluminium symbol and above that we will write only +3 charges. There are no electron because all the 3 electrons are lost. So we will not show any electron here. Here third one is the hydrogen. Now in case of hydrogen, how many electron are there? Atomic number is 1. So atomic electronic configuration is 1. Now that's why hydrogen we will show only 1 electron. But now what it is getting converted into? इसका आयन क्या है? H माइनस आयन. H माइनस आयन को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? हाइड्राइड आयन्स. सो हियर हाइड्राइड आयन इज फॉर्म बाय एक्सेप्टिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो 1 more electron will be accepted. So here we will write 2 electron and with that we will write the minus charge. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट करके नेगेटिव चार्ज मिला है. सो दिस इज अबाउट द आयन. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन 4.3 व्हाट इज गिवन? हियर इट इज गिवन द कंसेप्ट. व्हाट इज दैट कंसेप्ट? In the element we will write the number of outermost electron. In the ion, if the ion is negative, we will show the negative charge with the all outermost 8 electron. But if it is a cation, we will show only the positive charge and no electron because cations are formed by loss of electron. So this was the exercise 4.3. Next exercise we will see in the next video. Thank you.